Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure Microsoft Office 365 developer version on a web browser, and it could be accessed through any operating system. In this video tutorial I have been using Arch Linux Garuda, Ubuntu 22.04, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 and Windows 11 to demonstrate it. You can practice this training on any GUI based operating system such as Android, Apple iOS, Apple macOS, Chrome OS, Microsoft Windows, Linux, etc. Open Google Chrome on your web browser. Type Microsoft Developer Program and hit enter. Click on the very first link. Click on Join Now button. If you don't have Microsoft account, then click on Create One. I have an existing Microsoft account, that's why it's showing, but here I am going to create a new account to demonstrate you. Click on it. Type here your an active Gmail account. Click on Next. As per display message, enter the password you would like to use with your account. Click on Next. Check your given email inbox and type the 4-digit code. Click on Next. Click on Next to solve the puzzle and proving you are a human being. This step could be different for everyone. In my case, I have to select this teddy bear. Account has been created. Now configure your account. Select your country. Type a company name. I am creating this account as a personal basis, so home would be a perfect name for my company. Language already selected, English. No need to change. Select both checkboxes and click on the Next. Select personal project. Click on Next. Select any and click on Save. For personal users, Instant Sandbox will be perfect. No need to configure anything. After 90 days, subscription will be extended until you stop working on it. Click on Next. Select the country or region for your data center. Choose nearest data center from your location for better data accessibility. Create an admin user. Type a name as per your choice. Now create a password for this admin user. I don't have any need to create alternative password, so click on Continue. Enter a valid cell phone number to verify your identity. Click on Send Code button. Again you have to prove that you are not a robot. Click on Verify. Check the text message on your cell phone and type the 5-digit code. Now click on the Setup button. All configuration has been done for Microsoft Office 365 developer version. Now time to log in through web browser. Open Google Chrome on your web browser and type Office 365 Sign In. Click on the first link. Click on Sign In button. Type your Microsoft account email ID. Click on Next. We are successfully logged in. Now we can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and all other features of Microsoft Office 365. Open Word, type here something. Open Excel. Open PowerPoint. Open Outlook. Now I am going to show you how do you save your file online and offline. For saving the file to online cloud in Microsoft OneDrive, click on File, select Save As, choose first option Save As. To create a new folder, click on New Folder, give a name for your folder, any. Click on Create. Choose our newly created folder and click on Save button to save the file. Now type a name for your file. Click on Save. Done. Now if we want to save our file on our local system, click on File, select Save As, choose Download a copy. Yes, for offline work, click on Download a copy. Give a name for your file or you can keep it as it is. Click on Save. This is a good idea to save your file on your local system because we are using free product of Microsoft, and if they revoke their subscription plan any day, we will not get in trouble. Now I am going to check the downloaded file on Office 365, but before that I have disconnected the internet connection. File is working fine. This is Ubuntu 22.04. Open Mozilla Firefox and type Office 365 login. Click on first link. You can make a shortcut of this link on your desktop. Select and drag the URL onto the desktop. The remaining steps are same. Watch attentively. This is our online saved Word file. This is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. You can add this link in the bookmark for your web browser. Click on the start sign, click on save. Now you can access this page by clicking this tab. Remaining steps are same. Watch attentively. Click on no thanks. This is Windows 11. Again same steps. You can create desktop icon by URL link, or you can create bookmark. Click on the start sign, click on done. Click on the three dots of upper right corner, select bookmarks. Choose Office 365 login, Microsoft Office. Click on show bookmarks bar. Bookmarks tab has been created on the bar. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeful videos. Thank you.